Okay, so today you're going to finish our foldable on solving quadratic inequalities. You should have this in your journal. It's also with the quads by formula, quads by completing the square, and solving square roots. This is the last little box on how to solve quadratic inequalities. Now, it wants you to graph y is greater than or equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, now what you're going to be able to do is be able to graph this in your calculator, which would be able to see it. So right here we've got the vertex, and the vertex of this is 1, -4, and the solutions. Now when we talk about the solutions, we're also talking about the zeros. The zeros are x minus 3 and then x plus 1. So x equals 3 and x equals -1. Okay, now first things first, you need to be able to graph the quadratic using the vertex and x-intercepts. Okay. After that, you're going to want to, it's just like a linear inequality. I want to kind of make those two connections. So you graph it just like you would normally a quadratic, and then you decide what type of line. So you're going to say, you're going to ask yourself, dashed or solid line. Okay, and then after that you're going to think about, you have to test the difference between a linear inequality and a quadratic is you're going to need to test the point zero, 0 to see if it's true or false. So if it is true, then shade the region in which it lies. Okay, and then if it is false, then shade region in which it does not lie. Not lies, because point doesn't lie. But whenever you're talking about this right here, when you're talking about this one, you're going to say that, okay, well, your zeros are, you'll have grid paper, so that'll be really nice to be able to graph. We've got -1 and then 1, 2, 3. Got 3, and then we've got 1, -1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we've got, that's our quadratic graph right there. Now that is a very rough draft, so yours will be able to be a little bit better than mine. Whenever we've decided that it is solid because it is equal to, and then you need to test the point 0, 0. So you're going to say 0 is greater than or equal to 0 squared minus 2 times 0 minus 3. And then you're going to end up with 0 is greater than or equal to -3. So that is true. And if it is true, then you get to shade the region in which it lies. So this point 0, 0, you're going to shade. I'll use colored pens for you. Okay, so that's what you're going to shade because that one is true, and that is one of the combinations of the solutions that you can have. So that is graphing quadratic inequalities. Okay, thanks.